Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can highlight some part of your document using drawing tool. So let's say you want to circle some maybe text over here. So we can do that by going to insert, then drawing, new, and here you want to basically draw the circle or the shape how you want to highlight it. So you can either use this shape option here, and then from here you can choose this circle. So I can drag circle like this. Now as an infill over here, you want to choose transparent. Then you can change the outline or border color over here. So you can change it maybe to red. You can change the thickness of it to make it thicker. Then you can also resize it if you want to make this smaller. So let's say like this. I can click on save and close. And now in order to place this on the text, you have to click on in front of the text over here. So now you can basically, let's say, put it over here and it's on the text. Later, if you want to edit this, you can basically click on it. You can click on edit and then you can customize this maybe differently. Or if you want to make a custom shape, which is not going to be perfect, you can use that. You can do that as well. So if you click on Scribble over here, you can just draw it with your mouse like this. Then you can choose color, save and close. Maybe this one even looks better if you add a better thickness to it, like 4 or at least 3. You can choose fixed position on page instead this move with text, and you can play with it. You can move this wherever you want. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.